FIRE is not just an acronym, it's a lifestyle choice that's gaining traction worldwide. At its core, FIRE is about one thing: maximizing savings to achieve financial independence and potentially retire early. Picture this: some people save up to a whopping 70% of their total income. While the outcome of FIRE sounds amazing, is this the way you want to live your life? With the cost of everything increasing, any levels of savings are challenging. What would your life look like at 70%? For most of us, this is not possible. While FIRE may not be for everyone, there are plenty of lessons we can take away from it. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we want to live our lives our way. One of the key lessons we can glean from FIRE is the necessity of extensive planning. Achieving financial independence doesn't happen by chance. Think of it as laying the groundwork for your financial future, brick by brick, with careful consideration and foresight. From determining your target savings rate to determining your desired retirement age, every aspect of your financial journey should be mapped out in detail. Nothing should be left to chance. Think of it as creating a roadmap to your financial freedom. Have you created a budget so you know where your money goes? Have you planned for life's unexpected surprises by having an emergency fund in place? These are just some of the questions that need to be asked when determining your plan. But planning isn't just about setting goals. It's also about anticipating what your risk management is. What if the market takes a downturn? How would you respond? By thinking ahead and preparing for various scenarios, you can navigate obstacles with confidence and stay on track towards your goals. Remember, planning isn't a one-and-done activity. It's an ongoing process that requires regular review and adjustment. Life circumstances change, goals evolve, and economic conditions fluctuate. By staying proactive and adaptable, you can navigate the twists and turns of your financial journey with confidence and resilience. If planning is your roadmap, discipline is the fuel that propels you towards your financial goals. It's about staying true to your plan, even when temptation rears its head or obstacles arise. In the world of FIRE, discipline means sticking to your savings targets religiously, resisting the urge to splurge on unnecessary purchases, and avoiding knee-jerk reactions to market fluctuations. Too often, we're swayed by short-term impulses or influenced by market volatility, but FIRE teaches us the value of steadfast commitment to our long-term objectives. It's about staying the course, even when the journey gets tough. Some of the things we can do to make sure we stay disciplined include automating your finances. This takes the guesswork out of your finances, while allowing some of us to not overthink decisions. If we have stuck to our planning, the automation helps us stick to our budget without too much effort from us. Being disciplined sometimes requires delayed gratification. Social media has created an environment of instant rewards. It can be many years before we realize some of our financial goals. The last part of discipline is not following media fears or market fluctuations. Instead, you need to stick to your plan to achieve your financial goals. Are you willing to cultivate the discipline necessary to achieve your financial goals? Remember, every small sacrifice today paves the way for greater freedom tomorrow. Last but certainly not least, FIRE underscores the importance of focusing on good value investments. It's not just about saving diligently. It's also about putting those savings to work in order to generate passive income streams and grow your wealth over time. Many investing legends like Benjamin Graham or Warren Buffett advocate that in the world of investing, quality trumps quantity. Instead of chasing speculative options or jumping on the latest market trends, FIRE advocates prioritize investments that offer long-term value and stability. Whether it's low-cost index funds, rental properties, or dividend-paying stocks, the key is to build a diversified portfolio that can weather the storms of economic uncertainty. It's not just about what you're invested in, it is also about your time frame. Good quality value is generated over a long time. Many financial experts recommend allowing a minimum of 5 years for your investments to generate value. By managing risk with your investments, you will ensure you can generate value by aligning your investments towards your goals. Remember, the goal isn't just to accumulate wealth, it's to generate sustainable income that can support your desired lifestyle in retirement. So, Take the time to educate yourself about different investment strategies, seek professional advice when needed, and always prioritize value over hype. It's important to remember, FIRE is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about adopting a mindset of intentionality, purpose, and conscious decision-making in all aspects of your financial life. Whether you choose to fully embrace the FIRE lifestyle, or simply incorporate some of its principles into your own financial journey, the key is to take control of your finances and work towards a future of greater freedom and security. FIRE is only one of the areas of personal finance that we can take lessons and principles from. Check out this video to see another area that we can learn lessons from.